it's Lee from Supercharged Food. Today I'm making a beautiful golden nice cream. It's only got 5 ingredients in it. It's absolutely delicious, and it's one that the whole family can enjoy, even the kids. Kids absolutely love this recipe, and they scream every time I make this recipe at home. They like scream for it, but they're not screaming because of that, sugar frenzy kind of scream. They're screaming because they want more and they love it so much. So 5 ingredients, super simple. Frozen bananas, super easy. I've got my golden gut blend, which I'm using in this recipe. So good for gut health, full of yummy ingredients. It's got the Love Your Gut powder, or diatomaceous earth, the food grade version of that. It's all organic. It's got some yummy turmeric in there as well, some ginger, and a little bit of black pepper as well, which is absolutely delicious. And cinnamon too, it's got a bit of cinnamon in there. So you're just using only 5 ingredients in this recipe, which makes it so simple and easy. You can eat it straight away. Delicious. You can freeze it if you want to afterwards, but then when you use it, just take it out of the freezer for a few minutes just to kind of melt a little bit, because it can get a little bit icy, but it's absolutely delicious. So using these ingredients, I've got frozen bananas, I've got some nut butter, or you can use seed butter if you don't like nuts. That's really easy. Some golden gut blend as well. And a little bit of, you can use honey, you can use rice malt, you can use stevia if you like using that, and a dash of chilled coconut milk, and that's just going to give it that nice kind of consistency that you're looking for when you're making ice cream. So let's get started. And then all you need to do is just scoop it into a bowl.